Yeah, it's tomato tomato at that point.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we keep moving along here?
Yeah.
So when with Flight 3, when it broke up, that was mostly just because obviously it couldn't maintain orientation, so it didn't even have a chance of having the heat shield.
You would have noticed that the engines, there was a lot of like fire coming from the engines area, which is not, that's not good.
Yeah. Yeah.
On re-entry.
Right. Definitely
when
not.
the engines aren't on.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is, you can see we're just finishing. We're trying to get the shell completed as quickly as possible, but we still have a lot of work to do on the interior of the factory. But this will dramatically improve the production of the rocket.
Yeah.
It's being able to move from one station to another, which is a linear adjacent flow.
I don't really know what that means, but
well, I mean, the thing that really matters for, people talk about the moving production line of sort of Henry Ford and the automobiles. What actually matters is linear adjacent flow, as opposed to a production line that moves.
So
it's simple.
Okay. Yeah.
Like one step leads to another.
Yeah.
And things move along in a cadence.
Okay. Yeah. Yep. And you don't have to have the physical.
It doesn't matter whether there's a conveyor belt or not.
Got it.
That's a secondary concern.
Got it.
Doesn't matter. It just matters that there's a tempo. So
Yep.
every station has roughly the same amount of work time.
Right.